you know, we couldn't have had a better time and better luck with this trip. It's just come together magically.
No planning or research would ever prepare me for breathtaking views like this.
This is part of the adventure, man, just trying to find the right route and seeing what happens when you get there.
Probably one of my most memorable days of riding I think I've ever had.
Jumps, drops, power lines, descents that we'd never seen before.
Riding new places, like totally new, like going to a foreign country to ride snowmobiles. There's like a mystique about it because you really don't know what it's going to be like over there. You can guess, you can look at social media, you can do some research and figure out what's going on, but at the end of the day, tomorrow is a whole new experience. You don't know if it's going to be warm, cold, raining, dumping snow. You're just not sure. And until you get there, you don't really know what it's going to be like. So some of the drive is for new experience. It's to go find out, what is tomorrow going to be like? What are the conditions like over there? What are the mountains like? What is the terrain like? Has anybody ever ridden it the way that I want to? There's only one way to find out. We've gone to some amazing locations in some crazy weather, some wild adventures, and a whole lot of fun. So I hope you enjoy what you're about to witness, because this is the soul of snowmobiling.
Awesome.